Network marketing itself is not dead. The version of it from 2012, 10 years ago, 20 years ago, simply doesn't exist anymore. The people who are still stuck using the old playbook are finding out, especially right now with AI, that network marketing seems to be impossible. It seems so hard to grow a downline, to grow a team, to grow your business in this industry, whether you're in a health and wellness network marketing company or even a blowing up viral AI network marketing company. Now, I'm going to walk through exactly why this has happened, what's working right now, and what's still to come for the entire network marketing industry. There are 3 levels to the future of anyone's income. My own, my dad, business partner Richard's, anyone's income in this industry. The largest in the world depend on this. Right now, the majority of people in network marketing, MLM direct sales, are still operating at level number 1. And it's why their income has been stuck at and will remain stuck at level number 1. And that is the old school method. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with old school. Old school used to work exceedingly well. It was wholesome. It was real. You met people in person. You were with people. It was fantastic. My dad used to be in Amway, actually, and do in-person meetings, hotel meetings, traveling all over the world, thinking he would actually die driving because he was so tired and exhausted going from place to place. This does kind of work if you want to not be able to live a life of freedom, a life of higher up incomes, a life without automation, where basically you are in this modern day, unless you're really phenomenal, like 0.001%, this is the old school way that no longer really works, and it isn't scalable. It's not scalable. It's not efficient. It's not what you want. Now, most people want to be at level 2, where they have an automated system, and this is what is the future. This is currently the future and starting to happen. This is the beginning, starting to happen, moving towards a lot of the future right here, and this is massive growth for like the top 1% of network marketers, affiliate marketers, digital marketers, you name it. So level 2 is we have a system where when people join and become a part of your downline, your team, in any aspect or way, or any of your teams, enjoying your opportunity, whatever business you are part of or promoting, they have a method to bring in customers and leads. It's going to be a little messy. My drawing isn't fantastic with the mouse. Customers and leads, a way to follow up with those customers and leads, and a way to create duplication in a system. It's an enclosed one-page document, one-page funnel, one-page something, one area that while people join, they follow a set of steps, they accomplish X, Y, Z results, and they, in turn, bring more people through the system and duplicate and grow massively quickly. This is what the top network marketers do right now. And for number 2 and number 3, I'm going to show you what you need, all you actually need to make these things happen for you right now, especially number 2. This is what the majority of the marketplace needs. If you have just this, hitting $100,000, $200,000, $500,000, $1 million, $3 million, $5 million a year is more than doable for people who actually have a system like this in place, like I'm going to show you. Now, you're also going to need, of course, a great opportunity to be a part of, which will be links in the description for a doc that has, number 1, traffic, and number 2, opportunities as well, and our number 1 recommended opportunity right now for you to join and become a part of if you want a really good company to be a part of, if you want traffic and leads for your business, if you want a lot of resources you can use. So at any time, go ahead and check those out, those links in the description somewhere around this video. Make sure to also like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think of the video. So this is the system that's needed that people want, that they're having a hard time setting up because they don't have a digital marketing background, knowing and having we've built systems for automated, done for you 24/7, like rotating leads, customers, growth, downline, scalability happens 24/7 automatically. And that has happened through the systems we built for every single network marketing company we have ever been a part of. So it works and it converts. Now, the third highest level is using AI automation and AI agents and even AI agencies to run this process even more systematically, even more smart, higher converting, faster growth. It is just fantastic what you can do. So we're going to first start off with just getting you right here. This is the sweet spot, the golden goose, everything you want and need to scale your income. What's going to actually work for the next 5 years or so. All you need is a variation of either one document, like in a Google Doc, literally a Google Doc, or one page, a single page. And in either one of these things, this could be a video on it, a video, this. All you need is a method for getting traffic and leads, a way to follow up and close those leads, and a way for anyone accessing and using this to duplicate and share and follow this exact same process with their teams and all the way down the line. If you can create this, or if you literally just want to use the doc and the page I have included in the links in the description of this video and use them yourself, if you just want to do that, that's great too. Or you can go ahead and create your own. But if you have this, what this does is it creates what we call true duplication. Most people think that true duplication is where your team grows by itself. No, it's not true duplication. True duplication is where you no longer are needed to even operate the business. Your business, your downline, your teams grow exponentially and automatically when you have such great, amazing, incredible systems in place. These must be in place if you want to grow, hyperscale, and really create a freedom lifestyle. That's the second part. This is necessary, number 2. And number 3 is necessary if you want the lifestyle that everyone has always wanted for literally all time. You want to be able to live and be free and do what you want as your team and your business grows automatically. This will bring you from being an entrepreneur and a network marketer and an affiliate marketer into an actual business owner. Because right now, most likely, and I'm not saying this in a way that's derogatory, but you are not a business owner. Your business still relies on you to function. If that is the truth, you are not a business owner. You are not even really an entrepreneur. You're more of just working for someone else still. Once you get a system like this in place, you then become a true business owner or an operator. Someone who just takes a look at the charts, sees what's going on, has a few communication and talks with the team, and does what you want on your own time. So this is the formula. This right here, and setting up one of these two systems, which right now, if you want this done for you, you can just use the doc and also the page I've included in the description of this video. There, all you need, really, because that's what duplication comes from, is from you no longer having to teach. You don't have to preach. You don't have to call. You don't have to do any of those things because the page or the doc does it all for you. That's it. Follow this doc, success. Follow this doc, success. And that is how you scale any network marketing team or downline in 2026. This is what is working right now and will continue to work for the next 3 to 5 years until AI agents take over, which will be another video on this channel. So like, comment, subscribe, share. Let me know what you think of this. And check out those links for these. If you want to use them, join them, whatever you want with them. I think you'll love it.